Hello, hello, hello. So me again. I have got some unboxing to do for the new YSL from the Livistier line. It's called Muse. So, as you know, and I had done it. I talked about it a while ago, that they had changed the packaging of the bottles, and I don't know if they've changed the names. Yeah, Rouge Velours now is called just Velours, and they have come up with this new, packaging of the fragrance. But they also have the new release. It's called Muse, and it is called Muse Inspiring Ink. So I have this one and I just got it, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions. So I ordered it from the YSL website directly, and looking at the notes, I wondered if it's any close to the YSL Velours, the one that we know it from. I think that was a 2016 release. I'm just going to open it up here. Yeah, that Velours was a 2016 release and had the perfumer was Carlos Benaim. The notes were black tea, pink pepper, black pepper. Middle notes were orris root, olibanum, jasmine. Base notes are amber, vanilla amberwood, and musk. And I have that bottle here for you to see. So that's the old Velours from the YSL Louisier line. And now we're going to have the new one was released this year. And who is the perfumer? The perfumer is Mary Salomon. And the notes are lavender, clary sage, incense. Middle notes are orris, bourbon, vanilla, amberette, and amber with an ink. Some notes are, similar and some aren't. So let's see what this is about. I apologize for the kind of noise, because I know some people don't like the unwrapping. Let's see if we can just, there we go. As you know, they have changed these, they have changed the format, and sorry, just that was open. Just the format of these, now that it kind of opens like this. And here inside, there's a YSL it says on, and here inside we have the bottle. Oh, I like the color of the juice. Look at that. Look at that color, it's so pretty. So, like, even comparing to the old one, the colors are not the same. So, the color in this one is kind of like, I think the color of juice is transparent, and bottle is kind of like it has some brown hue. And this one is this color. It's quite nice. Like the color of the juice. So that's the Muse. This one also comes in 125 ml, similar to previous sizing of that line. I did not see it. I'm not sure if I saw it. Yeah, in 75 ml was like $300, and in 125 ml was $450, I want to say. And let's see what's this about. Right. It's kind of cool. The fragrance is kind of cold because I guess it was just, I actually caught the mailman on the driveway. So let's try on the, interesting. Now, mind you, the fragrance is right now, it's cold and it's not on the skin, but what I am smelling, there is some orris vanilla ambre mix that's quite familiar to me. Now I'm trying to, it's not DHIE, right? Like the aroma intense. And it's not as sweet as, like, black tie is a little bit sweeter than this, but close to black tie. What do people say? Do they say it's close to black tie? Let's see. People say yes. Oh, there you go. There's a black tie. Is that black tie? Yes, black tie, Ruby Rouge, and eyes closed. Eyes closed, but it will last. But I would say black tie and Ruby Rouge remind me of this. Now the old Velours, Let's put this one in here. No, this is like a complete different fragrance. The Old Willers has more that olibanum, jasmine. Jasmine is in there. I can smell that. And the muskiness. It's a complete different fragrance than this. To me, anyways, in the first impression. So that was it, guys. I am actually in a hurry a little bit, but I wanted to do a first impression of YSL Muse. Good news in that I mean, I don't know, it's good news or bad news. That's not the same as the Old Willers, which is a favorite fragrance of mine from that line. But it's a standalone fragrance, but kind of close to not Baby Cat, Black Tie, and I could see Louis Rouge in this one. Ink note wasn't very prominent. I don't know. There's a coolness to it that maybe that's what ink is, but it doesn't come out on the paper. Now I gotta have to give it a full test and full try and see what's that about. Anywho, with that was it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impression, and we shall post a full review of that later. You guys take care of yourself and have a good week. I mean, great week.